Hello students, welcome back to our CMS online classes and you are with your teacher Rajrangani Raut. Hope all you are fine, right? And have you completed your homework? Yes or no? Okay. If you have not completed, then you have sufficient time, and if you have completed, then you are the good students. Okay. So today what we are going to read today, right? Your English grammar. Okay, your English grammar. See, we have completed our chapter sentences, I think, which is under your chapter 1, and we have completed its classification 1 and classification 2. See, your classification 1 is under your chapter 1. Okay, and chapter 2 is your phrase and clause. Okay, chapter 3 is affirmative and negative sentence, which we have learned in classification 2. Remember? Okay, so classification 2, that affirmative and negative, is under your chapter 3, which we have completed. Then chapter 4, which is of interrogative. This part also we have completed, like yes no question and WH question. So these things we have completed up to chapter 4. So today we are going to learn our chapter 5. Chapter 5, that is question tags. Okay, so let's go to the topic. Don't waste the time. Okay. See, the word question tags. Right? How many words are there? 2. One is question, another one is tags. Question, you know, you better know. What are the questions? What is tags? What is tags? T-A-G, tag के बाद S. See, it means something or something extra should be added in the sentence. Something extra is added in the sentence. That means at the end of the sentence. Like you can also say that question tag is a mini question. It means a mini question at the end of the sentence. Acha. So let us describe, that means discuss it in proper way. Okay. Suppose I will ask you, आज बहुत गर्मी है ना? आज बहुत गर्मी है ना? What I use the word ना. See, I told you that आज बहुत गर्मी है. This is the statement or sentence. Okay. After that, what I used? Na. See, in the English, you can't say that today is so hot. Na. No, you can't say like this. So, in English, there is something through which we can speak, because we cannot use that na, ha, nahi. We cannot use that. So, in English, there is something through which we can speak. Okay. That is your question tag. Okay, that means sometimes when we need to ask for the confirmation of the opposite side, for the confirmation of the opposite side person, a confirmation of our statement, something which we need to ask for the confirmation of our statement, that means of our sentence. I asked you some sentence, but I need the confirmation from your side. That time we use that question tag. And I told you that this is the mini question. मतलब छोटा सा, ठीक है? लंबा चौड़ा वाला नहीं. That your interrogative, not that type of. So this is the mini question which is used at the end of the sentence. Okay? And this tag consists of a verb and subject. Then what is the structure? Actually, what is the structure, or what are the structures, right? Okay. Let's talk about the structure. Suppose I tell you that sentence plus question tag. यही तो होता है ना? The structure is sentence plus question tag. मतलब हमको एक sentence चाहिए, उसके बाद question tag. उसका structure जानना है. See, sentence can be of affirmative, sentence can be of negative, sentence can be of interrogative, sentence can be of imperative. Any kinds of sentences can be. But the structure is sentence plus question tag. Sentence we got many kinds of. Then what is the structure of question tag? Right? See, I'm telling you. Okay. Suppose the sentence is based on any tense. Tense, you know, past tense, present tense, future tense, right? Like this. So we have to go through the sentence. That means we have to look at the sentence, that the sentence is of any that means based on any tense, or it is used by any modal verb, or it is used by any helping verb. That we have to go through it. So suppose one example. Do you like, suppose one example, do you like a mango? Do you like mango? I ask you. Okay. This is the present tense. I'm telling about the tense. Tense wala sentence. Okay. Do you like mango? This is consist of present tense. So here the verb is do. Right? Here the verb is do. Lily. Structure. Remember the structure. Verb and subject should be there. Okay. So we got the verb do. Okay. Then the what? The subject. Do you like? Do you like mango? Which is the subject here? You. You is the subject. So take the you near to the do. Okay. Do ho gaya, you ho gaya. Do you like mango? Do you? No. Another rule is there. What? To make the question tag, there is one rule that with a positive statement, you use negative question tag, and with a negative statement, always use positive question tag. Getting my point or not? With a positive statement, use negative question tags. With a negative statement, use a positive question tags. So here what we got? Do you like mangoes? This is the affirmative sentence, right? So you have to go through the question tag. Do मिल गया था ना? We got do and you. दोनों मिल गए थे. अभी not डालना है. अच्छा, not कहाँ पर डालेंगे? Obviously verb के पास ही डालेंगे. So do plus not. What is the short form? Don't. You cannot write that do not you. No. In the question tag, you have to make the short form of the negatives. Okay. So here do plus not is don't. In the last you. While you are making the question tag, use the question mark in the end. So what we got? Do you like mango? Don't you? I ask you that. Do you like mango? Don't you? तुमको आम खाना अच्छा लगता है? अच्छा नहीं लगता? ऐसे, ठीक है? So this is about the tense. Next we talk about modal verb. Okay. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Here the modal is can. So let us take the can. Next, what I told you, if the sentence is affirmative, the question tag should be negative. Then can plus not. क्या होता है? Can't. Right? Can you speak English? Your subject is you. Here you have to add you. Can you speak English? Can't you? Question mark. So in this way, another example what I told you, helping verb. Okay. Are you a doctor? Are we a doctor? इसका क्वेश्चन टैग क्या लिख रहा है? Aren't you? Aren't you? Are verb, not add. Aren't, short form is the aren't. You is the subject. Here in the last there is the question mark. Okay. So in this way you can make the question tags. Remember the things that your question structure is. Remember question tag structure is verb, subject, question mark. And another thing is with the positive statement, use negative question tag. Negative means you have to add not. And with the negative statement, you have to add, that means you have to make positive question tag. Suppose one example, they are not coming. Negative sentence example. Okay. They are not coming. Right? Here the sentence is in negative format. They are not coming. What I told you, with negative statement, use positive question tag. So here the verb is are. Are. Okay. Another, the subject is they. They are not coming. Are they? They are not coming. Are they? So in this is the negative example. Okay. This is the example of negative statement. So in both way I explained you that positively and negatively. So our definition what told us that sometimes when we need to ask for confirmation of our statement, we use a question tag, and a question tag is a mini question at the end of the sentence. The structure is sentence, comma, question tag. Now sentence can be of imperative, interrogative. I'm repeating for you only for your better understanding. The sentence plus question tag in the question mark. This is the structure. Then sentence can be of many kinds of, like interrogative, imperative, affirmative, negative. Okay. Then question tag. What is the structure of question tag? Comma देने के बाद जो होता है, question tag structure is verb plus subject. Okay. The verb consists of the previous sentence. Okay. The sentence you have, the statement you have. According to that statement, you have to make the question tag. Okay. If the statement is based on any tense, take the verb. Based on any modal verb, take that modal verb. Based on any auxiliary verb, helping verb, take that verb. Understood? So verb we got. Then subject, you can easily identify whom, that means what is subject. You better know what is subject, and we have already learned that. Another thing is positive statement, negative question tag, negative statement, positive question tag. Okay. So we have completed our question tag. This is not a difficult chapter for you, I hope, because it is the chapter through which you can speak and talk in English very fluently, and that means the way of talking should be very smart. The way of talking, that means the way of talking is going to be very smart if you use the question tag format. If you are talking through this format, then your way of talking is going too smart. Remember this point, and please try to start in this format. Okay. Another thing is, I have given you some homework which is not much questions. I have given only exercise 1. Okay. That means what is there? You can see in the picture. I will explain there. Is there any doubt? You can ask me, or you can send us feedback. See, another thing is, I'm getting to know that all of you are not going through our videos, so it's all our request. See, okay, because we are making the videos, we are preparing, we are teaching you to whom or for what? For you only. For your better understanding. That means we have to complete our syllabus as fast as possible, right or not? Okay. So as you are in the lockdown, we are trying our best, and we are doing somehow how much, that means we can do. So it's our request that go through every teacher's video, what they are learning, that means what they are teaching her, to what you are learning, make one copy and write over there. Okay. This is the advice you can say. Okay. From my side. So write the homeworks. Okay. And everyone's homework also you write. I don't know about others, but after opening the school, I am going to check all the homeworks. Then I can get to know that who are going through our videos or not. Okay. So let's go to the homework screen. And this is your homework page. Okay. Take out your pen and paper and write all the questions correctly. I told you that so easy chapter it is, right? So what you have to do, you just have to complete the sentences with correct question tags. Okay. You can see in the picture that I have given the sentence, that means one sentence there and one blank also there, and tick the correct answer, means some options also I have given which you have to tick which one is the correct answer. This much only. Okay. I have given you the options. Okay. So don't be confused. Only you just have to tick there which one is correct. And how can you choose? I told you that go through the verb of the sentence. Whatever the sentence given there, just find out the verb. Which verb is there? That verb you take out, then go through the subject and check out if it is a negative or positive sentence. So according to that you do that. Okay.